Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Blanch the asparagus first before grilling. Blanching allows the asparagus to cook halfway through, so it doesn't have to stay on the grill for too long. I have noticed that if you place asparagus on the grill raw, it can dry out easily.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Grill the asparagus for 5 or 6 minutes, turning them slightly every few minutes to provide even grilling. When done, the asparagus should have delicious caramelized brown spots and a crisp tender texture. The spears should be browned but not charred. Do not overcook the asparagus.
Let's help you make your mark.
When it comes, jump to it. I soak all asparagus first in cold water. It hydrates the asparagus, and they cook more quickly, for they are already wet with some moisture within them. Do not soak them for 30 minutes, you are not trying to get them soggy.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.